Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting your facts, audience, and desired tone. Make this concrete. Once done, set constraints, reading level, length, and one clear voice, then open the draft. You should immediately shorten long sentences and swap vague phrases for specific details. Do not rephrase mechanically. Make 1-2 small structural edits now, and flag any overly formal or generic passages to rewrite in the next pass. This gets you from generic to usable quickly. Once the first pass is clean, move into a deeper rewrite where you change rhythm and add variability. You should alternate short, punchy lines with longer explanatory ones and swap passive for active voice. Make sure to add 2-3 concrete specifics, names, dates, measurements, so the text feels grounded. When revising, watch for repeated structures. Replace them with synonyms or alternate constructions to create a more human cadence and clearer emphasis. Finish by polishing. Read the text aloud to catch rhythm problems and awkward phrasing. You should cut 10-20% of redundant words, tighten transitions, and confirm each sentence advances the point. If something still feels flat, swap a paragraph order or add a short, concrete anecdote. Make sure to get a second pair of eyes or use style-focused tools for clarity. And if you hit persistent problems, troubleshoot by simplifying, not by hiding origins. Clarity beats concealment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.